Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to view your statements on the Fidelity app in 2025. With the app's latest updates, managing your finances has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowing how to access your statements can help you track your portfolio, spot trends, and make informed decisions. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Fidelity app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Fidelity Investments, and download the 2025 version. It's packed with enhanced features like biometric login and AI-driven insights. Once it's ready, open the app and log in using your credentials. For added security, the app now supports facial recognition or fingerprint ID, so you'll be in faster than ever. Now, once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for all your investment details. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the specific account you want to review. Maybe it's your brokerage or retirement fund. Next, look for the Statements option, which is usually right under your account summary. In 2025, Fidelity has made this even more intuitive with customizable filters, so you can select statements by date, type, or even tax year. Once you've selected the statement you need, hit View to see it on your screen. You'll get a clean, interactive PDF-like format that you can zoom in on, highlight key sections, or even export to your device's files. If you prefer a hard copy, tap the download button to save it directly to your phone or cloud storage. Pro tip: always check for the latest app updates, as Fidelity rolls out new features regularly to improve user experience and data privacy. And there you have it. Viewing statements on the Fidelity app is straightforward and empowering. By keeping an eye on your statements, you're taking control of your financial future. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.